Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A04. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, fingerprint settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type Fingerprint and wait for the search results to appear. Step 4. After performing the search, find the Fingerprint option from the search results and tap on it. Choose the Fingerprint option again, then enter your password. Step 5. For the last and most important step, follow the instructions on the screen. Press your finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted, then press again. After repeating this process, make sure to complete it 100%. Once done, choose the Done option to set up your fingerprint instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.